Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your Shopify store to Printful. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. So as you can see here, the first step, you need to create your Shopify account. So if you have one, you're good to go. And then as you can see here, the next step is you need to get a Printful app on to Shopify, right? So it's easy to do that. Basically what you need to do here on Shopify search, just sort it out by apps and just look for Printful here on Shopify itself, and then you'll be redirected to another page here. Select Printful here and press Add App. Right, so we need to wait for a few seconds here, and then you need to scroll down and you will see Install App button. You need to press on that. We need to wait for a few seconds, and then you will be redirected to Printful. And as you can see here, I have an account, so I just need to press continue, and I just need to press connect store to my email here. And as you can see here, if I go on stores here, I connected my Shopify to Printful, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.